Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. Just a sort of a very quick impromptu video really. I'm holding my GoPro, it's not a selfie stick. I just wanted a quick chat with you about the most important achievement so far in 2018. So, is it the new house? It's not that, no. Is it the fact that I bought a very, very posh new watch? It's not that. Have I finished doing the decorating in my new property? No. Have I mastered the art of plastering? Definitely not. Have I completed the work on my garden? Have I returfed it, reseeded it, whatever I was going to do with it? The answer is no, I haven't. So basically, there's a whole host of things which I could claim to be really important that I have actually done so far and achieved this year. But it won't cover the most important thing. I'm just outside the building now. And I went, what? There we go, look, blood donor centre. So basically, I've got an appointment in 10 minutes time. I come here, you know, I try and come here every sort of like 3 or 4 months when I've got time. But basically, this is the most important thing I'll have done so far this year, and hopefully the blood which I give will hopefully save a life or make a big difference to somebody's life. My blood type is B rhesus positive, and I've been told by the staff here that that's very helpful to elderly people and also young children, so hopefully it will do some good. I'm very proud of the fact that, you know, despite the fact that I do have a bit of a needle phobia, which I'm getting a lot better at overcoming now. To me this is very important. Just wanted to do a quick impromptu video. Okay, thank you for watching. There we go. Let's do this thing. Right, so a cup of tea, 3 Orange Club biscuits, 3 custard creams later. Job done. Thanks for watching.